Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In the last session, we learned how to download the MPIR and the MPFR, multi-precision integer and rational number arithmetics. In this session, this session continues from my previous session, this video. If you haven't watched this video, please watch it. In this session, we will create our first Visual Studio MPIR or MPFR application. Before doing that, I made a sample source code, and please visit this website talkplayfun.com, this website. Then download a sample source code MPIR MPFR here. Please download this sample source code because this sample source code contains some tools and detailed explanations. Okay, show in folder. Now I will close this web browser and start Visual Studio like this. Here, if we download it, you will download this file. I will unzip it like hello sample. So I unzipped like this, and in this folder you can find the gmp.util h header file, and you have to read these instructions. You need these instructions carefully, and I will have it opened. Also you can, if you forgot to, if you can have text, you can have detailed description about how to install MPIR. My last session talked about how to install MPIR, etc. And this session we will create our Visual Studio project for the first time. Okay, so after downloading, you have to copy this file, and paste it to the folder we created in my previous session, DLL MPFR. Here, please copy and paste it like this. Then here, downloads. I will copy this folder, then to my working folder, D drive. Okay. I will open this solution first, then I will show you how. Open solution, then here. Okay, then it is loaded. Okay, here right click it, select debug build first, right click it, then project build. Okay, it built. We can run Ctrl F5. You can see my sample, our first program. This is pi, multiple precision pi, and this is factorial, like 50 factorial. We can make it much bigger, and we will change it to release build, and I will try Ctrl F5 again. It is running also. This is 32-bit application. Now we can change it to x64 debug build. Okay, we will run Ctrl F5. Okay, everything seems to be working fine. Now release build. Okay, you may say, you can see the code. The code is very simple like this. This is main program files like this, and it has include file here, header file stdaff. This is included. This is the file we copied. We download. If you download my file, my sample file, you will have this, and this file you should copy it to your MPFR folder. Say MPFR, DLL, MPFR C++. Here you have to copy and paste in this folder. Okay, so now we will create. The problem is, what is difficult in this case is you don't need to mind about this code. You don't need to think about this code yet. We need to see the project settings. Right click, properties. If you see C++ here, all configuration, Win32 platform, you see include directories here. We have added extra informations, additional informations like this. You need to be able to set these settings. It is important. And also you have to set these settings. And you have to I will change it to Win 64-bit. The setting changes. Okay, this is 64-bit settings, and this is 32-bit settings. The settings are different. So when you have to make changes is three things. First, you have to set directories. Visual C++ directories include directory. About these things, I will tell you in a minute. And another thing, you have to say library directories, and you have to also set build event like this. It looks very difficult, but if you understand some basics, these are actually very easy. Also, this is Win32 platform, and this is 64-bit platform. The setting is a little bit different. Okay, so I will compare it. First, you need to set here Visual C++ project included directory and library directory. You have to set 3 places, and build event, post event here. You have to set 1, 2, 3. In 3 places you have to change, because this is 32-bit platform. If you change 64-bit, it changes as well. So in 64-bit platform, you have to change three times, 1, 2, 3 places, and post build here. So in readme VCC project GMP settings file, you can see first, second, third, A, B, C settings. This setting explains Visual C++ directory included directory, Visual C++ directory include, okay, and directory library, and build event, post build event, post build event. So you have to change 3 places. Before doing this, you have to, of course, you have to put this environment variable. We set this environment variable in my previous session, in my previous video. So if you forget it, you haven't. So if you are uncertain, then please watch my previous video. I will explain it once again. Okay, so I will show this environment variable once again. system, settings, environment. Here I have set 3 new environment variable like this. Okay, here if you see this MPIR dir, MPIR dir, MPFR dir, MPFR dir, MPFR CPP dir, MPFP CPP dir. These environment variables should be set. If you don't know how to set it, please watch my previous video. Okay? So here we are creating new project like this. Here I will see my hello GMP. I will name like this. Cancel. Please watch. We are creating C++ console application. Okay. Visual C++ Win32 console application. Here, my hello GMP like this. Then click finish. We accept all defaults. So save all. Now the very first thing we need to do is to include. Okay, so we have to include include GMP MP GMP util.h. Okay, GMP util underscore dot GMP. It gives us a squiggle because it says our path is not yet set. So please double check it, make it release Win32 x86 or Win32 here. In this case, this is Win32 actually, x86, okay? Here, we have to open Visual C++ Studio include directories. Okay, so right click, I will set it startup project. I have to change it startup project like this. Then right click it, properties. Here, I have to select it platform to Win32 and all configuration. Okay, directory. I'm currently doing this. I am going to set this Visual C++ directory include directory C++ include directory. I am going to set this here. I have to set 3 environment variable dollar. This is dollar and parenthesis, and this MPIR dir, then platform dollar platform. Platform means this is platform Win32. Okay, then parenthesis, then this can be configuration can be debug. Okay, this can be int dir like this. Okay, enter. So if you press enter, you can see something like the Win32 debug. Here something is missing, right? So we have to put here semicolon like this. So we can fix like this. Okay, this is the system variable we defined in our previous session. And so this gives us folder like this way, here, this way. And platform is Win32. then debug is INTDIR. Okay, so you can remember this way. If you don't know what this means, then you can okay, I will enter one more. Click this, create one more. Like now, MPFR. FR means floating point and rational number. DIR, the same way. Platform, and slash, then INTDIR, like this. We are setting Windows 32-bit, enter, then it resolves. These string messages, these strings are resolved like this. This gives us MPFR DLL Win32. This is MPIR DLL Win32 debug. And we need one more. The last one. MPFR CPP. Here. DIR. This is good enough. Like enter. Then this gives this one. Okay, so everything resolved properly. We can change the order like this. MPIR is the most basic, so this is second. The path sometimes can be important, but it's not very important anyway. So after this, if you are not sure about what is platform, what is INTDIR, you can always click macro here. Then macro gives all the informations like platform. If you scroll down platform, for example, platform in the platform, like platform Win32, this resolves to Win32. INTDIR is debug. Okay, so you can refer your macro always. Okay, so like this you can look up your macro. So click OK. So we have to set Win32 or configuration means release or debug or release. We have set these portions. Now we have to set library directory settings. This one here again. Here. And we have to set two things. Library MPIR DIR. This is the same. Dollar platform then dollar INTDIR. If we press enter, then it resolves. We need here a slash, right? So we have to put it here a slash like this. Okay, we add one more. MPFR DIR platform slash dollar INTDIR like this. Okay, so we say a floating point is actually dependent on integer MPI. MPF is dependent on the MPI, so we change the orders like this. It's actually not important anyway. So we change two settings. We have to save apply. We have to click apply, and now we need one more settings here. We need three settings. One here, two here. Lastly, this one. This one we have to set there. Here, post building lesson command line here. Edit. We have to copy two files. We have to copy two files. Copy. We are copying quote dollar MPIR DIR like this. This text is resolved like this. Okay, then platform DIR platform platform and slash this is configuration like this. And what is configuration? This is configuration, right? This is configuration, this is platform. So here we have to copy MPIR DLL. We have to copy it, quote, close quote, open quote, we can open quote, and this is simple, target DIR, like this, target DIR, and here is, now we can see MPIR DLL, like this. Then this file is copied to this folder, like this. And let me check my syntax. You can also say out dir or target dir. I used target dir, but you can also say out dir. The same. Out dir. Like this. The result is the same, okay? So we need one more. We have to copy two files. Copy $MPFR dir and platform and slash dollar. How do I know if I need a slash or not? Because if I'm in the slash, this is no slash is here. For example, configuration. You can see there is a missing, right? Slash is missing. So I select input here. Then MPFR DLL. Okay. So once again, out dir, MPFR DLL. See? So we made two settings. So we have to also apply. Okay, don't forget to clicking apply after change. Okay. So now we are changing one more settings. So we have set this Win32, some 32-bit application platform. Now we are setting 64-bit platforms like this. It's a little bit different. Right click, properties, and change it platform to 64 like this. Go to directory. We have to change here. Also again, we need three things. MPIR dir. This is for include, and it will be resolved like this. And I need platform. Platform means this. This will resolve x64 here. And what do I need? Then I need configuration. Do I need it? This is include. No, I don't need to do this. I can just say int dir like this. int dir. This is shorter, right? This is shorter. This is include fast, and we need one more here. MPFR dir int dir. Okay, this is resolved. And because floating point is dependent on depends on integer, so we change order like this. So if you don't know the macros, you can always refer to this. Click. Okay, before we click, I will examine what this means. Okay. In fact, there are 4 different set of files. So here we have 4 DL folder. This folder DEVSoft MPIR DLL, DEVSoft MPIR DLL, MPIR DLL. Currently we are at this folder, and this changes to like this, debug. Currently it's debug, so it changes like this. Okay, so debug. So this setting, in this file there is whole set of files, gmp, blah blah blah, all files, set of files, and the same identical file. I will open one more folder. Actually not identical, the same, not the same. MPIR. See, this is debug. This is release. So 2 set of files. These are 2 different folders. This folder, and this folder is actually different, but file names are the same and different. Okay, so it has 4 set of files like release, debug, and Win32, debug, and release. So these settings are making changes to copy or access proper files depend on platform and configuration. Okay, click OK. Say apply. Now we change here. We have to change here. We have to change 3 places here. We can do the same. MPIR here, dir int dir, like this. Okay, this is good enough, and we need one more. MPIR dir int dir. It has bugs. Oh, the same one. It should be MPFR, right? So different. FR, IR. So I change this like this. Okay, apply. I made one mistake. I have to put 3 items here. I have to put one another here. MPFR CPP dir, like this. Okay, so I put it all, and I'll put it last. Okay, save it, apply. Now we have set 2 settings. We set 2 places here. We set this include directories and library directories. Now we need to set the last build event here. Build event here again. x64 here. Click. We are copying files. We are actually copying this file and this file. So let's try it. First copy, we need to copy two files, quote, MPIR, dir, like this, and platform, and MPIR platform configuration. I think we can do that like this. int dir. Okay. int dir. Then MPIR DLL, like this, code. Then out dir, like this, and MPIR DLL, like this. We set one more. Here, this should be MPFR, and this should be MPFR, and this should be MPFR, like this. Say enter. Let's see MPIR FR, IR FR. Okay. So we click OK, apply. Okay. So we have done. We have set everything. Now the scale has gone. We are here adding code like this. For example, if we are going to use let's try it. MPZ class CLASS A 1. I will have it factorial, for example, for MPZ class I equal 1. I will go back factorial, okay? Huge number this is. Then plus I here, see out, I need to include. Actually, here, this actually includes studio, but I will include here once again. IO stream, and using name space std, like this. Save it, comes it here, and I factorial A and L. Here A times I, like this. Okay, so let's run it. Wow, see, 1 factorial, 2 10 factorial, 20 factorial, 30 factorial, 40 factorial, 60 factorial. Is amazing. So this is integer class, and in case in next session I will detail about other things. I will tell you about these things. And before we conclude this session, I will open our here. I will open previous code, sample code here. Okay, about this I will talk in next session. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe my channel and click like button. Also, please leave a comment, and if you have questions or you have problems in your by doing it by yourself, then please write me, leave your comment, then I will write you back and I will try to help you as much as possible. Thank you for watching.